Hi guys, Pickbeard here. Tonight I'm going to try and pick for you this Master Lock Excell rated 9 out of 10. I have not picked it yet. I do know that it comes with a rubber shield, and yes, it, for all the purists out there, it should still have it on there when I pick it, but I don't think I've got that good control over me picks and me wrenches to start doing that. Keys are still there, can't see the bit in, so don't know. It is locked up. It's got hardened shackle ball bearings, the usual stuff that they reckon makes it that harder. I've tried picking it in hand. Again, I'm not that good. I probably will get good at some point one day, but not right this minute. So, sorry guys, but this one is going in the vise. Right, in the vise, locked up. Grab a tension wrench and grab a Sparrow's hybrid pick, and let's see what we can do. Going to start off with medium tension, I think. See what we get. Apply a bit more tension to this. That feels a bit better. It's quite heavy tension on this one. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Can't really feel much at the moment. Try and get some clicks. As I'm sure some of you are aware if you've seen my videos, I'm not the best picker of padlocks and probably never will be, but this one was going for about £6 and I thought, oh, £6 for a 9 out of 10 rated lock for security? Interesting. Too cheap in my eyes for a truly secure padlock, but we'll soon find out. So, feeling through, trying to find some pins. Don't want to play ball. Let's feel through. Not doing a lot at the moment. Did set a couple, but let's try opposite side tension if I can. Let's see what tension wrenches I've got. I'm going to fit better. I'll try that one. That's a Mad Bob's. Just need one with a bit better feedback from my thumb. So obviously tensioning with your thumb. It's perhaps don't get as better feedback as you do with your forefinger or ring finger that you would do for other pickers. I'm not getting much back off that one, might need a deeper hook. So let's go with a deeper hook from the Sparrow's kit that I've got, the Coyote set. Let's try this one. As you can see, this is me just working through what I've got as I go along. If I can get away with this, there'll be a result. That's another pin set, I think. Wow, nearly 5 minutes for this. not brilliant. But for my first attempt, I'm not going to grumble. Oh no. No, you just hate when that happens. Let's see if I've got a tighter fitting one. Let's try that one. Perhaps that is too deep. Let's go with a different one. Still Sparrow set. Right, I think I'm nearly there. Am I there? Oh no, I'm there. I've done it. Sweet. Right, let's get this wrapped up quick. It's a long video. So there we have it. Opened. Super. And it's locked back up again. I'll get the keys off. It says scissors. Let's try and just pull them out. Oh, come on. Packaging's good. I'll give them that. I'll do this in frame. Oh, I think so. Can I pull a fast one? Why would they? Only 7 minutes for a video. God, dearie me. Right, keys, leave them there so you can see them. I'll get some scissors. Right, scissors, got keys. Let's cut them off here. I'll say packaging is actually stronger than the flipping lock is. Come on. Oh, where are we going? Watch your fingers. There we go. Right, let's cut that off there. Throw that down there. Get the keys out. One will do, because they're all the same. So there's a bit on the key, which I'll give you a bit of backing so you can see it better. There's a bit on the key, a few ups and downs, nothing too brilliant. There it is in the lock. There's working order again. So, thanks for watching, guys. The Master Lock rated 9 out of 10. Tricky. 1, because if you picked it, you don't know you've picked it. And 2, you've got to get the right pick first. But thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out.